My name is Kain, and I've been a woodworker for about 16 years and professionally about 13 years. What got me interested in woodworking is when I was a kid, I wanted a professional guitar. My parents got me a guitar kit that I can learn from scratch and assemble and learn the intonation. I went to shop class, showed it off to my shop teacher, and after that, went to college for a fine woodworking degree. Well, when I was in Bucks County Community College, a few people were allowed to go to what is called an Echo Lake, and that is a group of people, artists from around the world, and also selected students to have a 3-day event to construct different kinds of art projects, and then to be auctioned off and to be used for donations for the school. So some of the pieces that I built in 2015 with a few other artists, I made an art sculpture piece, and then I built another table as well. So that's a couple pieces. Once after that, I thought about doing different parts into metalworking. I did jewelry making as well, and I wanted to implement all of that into fine woodworking. So a lot of my pieces now have a lot of gems to even metal into the woodwork that I do. In Bucks County Community College, we did have some of the what we call the green machines, the Felder, old machines, and we used the heck out of them. And then after that, when I worked in a few cabinet companies, we had a few fine woodworking machines in Felder, and then also we had a few beam saws as well from Mayer. So after that, I wanted to get into a company that had a lot of fine woodworking machines, and I thought, why not work for Felder? I had a lot of benchtop machines, and progressing into standalone machines that had already a trolley or dolly system, and I thought those were industrial machines. And when it came to Felder, I was like, oh my gosh, this is a woodworker's paradise, almost like a Disney World in a way. And I wanted to try out every single machine that we had, and little behold, I felt, oh my gosh, there's some new machines that I've thought of getting into that I could definitely progress and upgrade to a whole new level. My name is Kain, and I'm a professional woodworker. I'm a representative for Delaware and for parts of New Jersey. So let's do this. Call me up. Let's see what we can do to provide you the best solution that we can. And I'll be the best advocate for your business. Let's talk.